Hi for this. On today's episode of our Ramadan series, we'll be making this creamy buttered chicken, which is so yummy and easy to make. So in a bowl, you're going to add your cut chicken breasts, and then in that, you're going to go in with some cumin, coriander powder, salt, seasoning, paprika, chili pepper, black pepper, garam masala, ginger and garlic paste, vegetable oil, vinegar, and then yogurt. Give everything a good stir and allow it to marinate. Now in your pot, you're going to go in with some vegetable oil and your marinated chicken breast. Fry that a bit and set aside. In the same pot, you're going to add butter, and then you're going to go in with some chopped tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste. Fry that a bit, add in your chopped tomatoes and the spices we've used earlier. Remember to season as well, and then you're going to fry that a bit and then add a little bit of water. Go in with some cashew nuts and then cover and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Now once that is done, you're going to blend that until it's smooth and then put it back into the pot. Now go in with your fried chicken. At this junction, I added food coloring because I don't really like the color, and then add in some yogurt, and yeah, that's it. So you're going to garnish with some parsley or coriander leaves, and yeah, that